Tolo.
Tolu.
Tolo, please, tolo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
People, now we are on the way. You can see brother Papa there. We are on the way to get the second load of stones, but the tide is not with us again today because it's low tide now. Look. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. You can hear it. The kids playing. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to Wainaloka instead of Nangele because it's low tide. And then from there walk over to Nangele because when it's low tide we can't reach Nangele by boat.
Can, but you walk.
Yeah, but we don't want no stingrays. A lot of stingrays there, so.
Like Tamalingi, the stingray hit his leg.
Ew, one small one, he cry.
Whoa.
Big one.
Small, cry.
You want to brother Gi?
Ow!
Brother Gi?
Ew, ay, don't brother.
Today's video is sponsored by Kava, our local Kava business, and yeah. Okay, guys, this is wine and Kava. You want some? You can email us on our group and enjoy this video. And email people is on the bottom of the screen. Where you're gonna watch it YouTube. There's an email there. You can email them. Enjoy the video. Wine and Kava. Yeah.
So we have some boys here that we're gonna go, and you can see that we already made it ready for next week's work. Look down there, the bags, and another 500 today. And again, thank you to the Fijian government, especially the Itoke affairs, you know, who okay. Who was so generous and donated 20k more than what we originally yeah, because we need to finish it. As I said again, we want to thank the Itoke affairs for the generosity of donating another 20,000. You know, what we applied for was over 30,000 that got granted, and then when they came to see the project and saw what we were doing, they donated another 20,000, which is the stones, to help ease up what we are doing right now. And you can see all those stones there, almost all of them is from like just in this area where, you know, when my grandfather was alive, that generation, when they did it, they took the stones from here, you know, and then build the seawall, and it's not cracked at all. Like, it's still good until today, you know. But yeah, we don't know how much it's going to affect the marine life. That's one of the concerns Itoke affairs had. That's why they decided to donate the stones. So thank you, Itoke affairs and Fiji government. But yeah, another work, man. Because the tide is with us, we're gonna offload it, and then tomorrow when it's high tide in the morning, we'll go and pick it up. So let's see. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys. 6. You can see here some of the boys here. Sly, oh, baby Jim and my brother Check there, baby Luke and baby William there.
Welcome to Fiji. And we have one small man, he is fly fox. It's good for dick eating. Good for dick eating.
Look at these guys here, good for Andre. Look, oh yes, 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 thank you.
Doggy for you, boy.
Yeah.
Become sweet. That's dangerous.
Who, you?
Can take us.
Ah! Okay, people. So we talked to the guys that are bringing the stones to Rotanur. And I told them this morning we'll try to be there on time. we couldn't do anything last week. We had to wait for the tide, you know. But today, because it gets tide late in the afternoon, evening, or more like in evening time. Even now it's like, you know, getting low tide. So I said to them, well, we'll come, me and the boys, help you guys offload it, and then tomorrow we'll pick it up. So balance, boys.
That's your balance.
Mapatulungan niyo ay dito. Go. Ayan, no, yung nakangrebot balance. Tingnan balance na.
William Sum.
Balance tagi ko chuk balance.
Pero
Better we stick it.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Iyo. Do you know I got my brother?
Yeah.
This other guy is no good, man. Church, need church. You need church, and you especially need the church. Okay, people, I'll just talk to the guys. They're on their way, and we are on their way. Not on their way, but we are on the way.
On our way.
On our way. Let's see, man. Let's see.
On your way to his way.
This is the church I'm talking about.
No, you said
No.
on our way to his way.
No.
Yeah, you said that. And we are on our way and we are. Kermas. Hey, chico.
Solo ko ba? Sento.
No, ang dami pinakad.
Course. Tapi look ya. Gori. Balance, may balance. Ya balance na kaya. Lu keren turi ko pa
Ikaw mo tayo sa toko, meron din tayo sa pinaka. Hindi pa ang bitch ko bang go. Anyway, siya ka mo ko mga.
Sana nakartang gitu juga aku beat dulu.
Tambra, sit down. Sigoy, natuloy.
Billy! This is Billy! Lucas' wife! No. Your gate. It's your gate, man.
Okay.
Timothy's passage. No. No.
This weather is fucking amazing.
We're going in now to Williams S. Yeah.
Get a Babylon,
See here, people. Boom, boom, boom. You can see it's very, very low tide, man. Look. Holy smokes. Look at
How many-
tea like that.
How many dozen?
No dozen, one, 8.
Huh? Only 8 loaf.
6.
Beta.
Yo, tulungan yung bulak loaf. And 3 long loaf.
You can curious.
Juice to juice.
No juice.
Oh, ice block, ice block.
Sino ka nice block?
Ice block tige. No mamagis boy, no mamagis.
People, this is Wanalox, where Timothy is from.
Where you find your first love here, Chuta.
Kum. Hey. Don't talk about the Twitter like that. Luke will be angry.
Your first love, where you find it?
No, don't talk about it. Luke will be angry if you talk to.
Yeah, you kum.
Hey man, Twitter is always kind to you.
But you stay here, you come here.
No,
and
see Luke, betting you Luke. But yeah, that's Wanelaga village. We have to go back a bit this way. Maybe like not even 10 minutes walk. 5 minutes maybe. Then we'll be there. Oh wow! This is a Kichuita here.
Let's go.
Hey, don't do that. The cheetah will be angry, brother.
The first tau you saw,
No.
is first love, tau. Chuta aura.
Yeah, he's Lucas' first love. Yeah.
He said like that because he already kumbaya.
You. He already nice. You should try. Eh?
Bilam.
Ay, naman siya.
We are almost there at Nangele, but it's raining now, man.
Yeah, see the road now. Heavy rain.
Heavy rain.
Heavy rain. Not do that.
We want the gravel, eh?
It's.
Pitch.
Yeah.
Oi.
What?
With about potholes.
Pothole there.
Ew. Let's see here, people. If they are here or not. But we are here. They are here. Look. There. Now we can just come, job, and then go back. Then Luke will varutakan a chi.
Ah.
Because he's
You and
Billy.
Because you long hair.
No, Muringa Hendrix. See there. Oh, the weather here, people, the last week or two has been not good. Look at this. This is not ours, but okay, people, almost done with this truck. The other one is a bit easier because like they have an option where you can like tilt it and it's easier to offload, you know. New truck. Navili. Oh! Okay, now the second load, people. Okay, people, we're just gonna make it to the level of this car, then we can truck, then we can offload it. Then the guys can go back to Yavusa, and then they'll go back to Suva tomorrow, and then we can go back to the village. But yeah, we have to walk around the tide. Some days the tides are with us, some days when they are not, like today. Set! Set some! That's it. Tomorrow will come. Okay, people, it's time for us to head back. That was it. Now we can come back and finish the job tomorrow. Again, this is something you deal with when you're leaving the remote islands. But just have to find a way to work through it, you know. And it will be something we can remember when we get older. As the boys, what we did, you know. When we look back at it and see when the seawall is finished. So nakabibili na were. Time to head back. It's very, very muddy and slippery. Ew. Oh Lord, it's very, very low tide. Woo!
Fondo. Sundo. Mandray. Mangay.
Okay, people, I think we made it. Time to get back home. And you can see now it's even more low tide now. Ooh, thank you. Oh, oh. Oh. Cars to the villaggio. People, we have a bit of a malfunction. But no worries. We have Timothy and Willie and Luke. They can car.
No car, take yourself, you should.
Hey. Kau tak kau yang mana mana tanang kau yang. People, this is not part of the plan. No, this was not part of the plan, man. Oh, look. It's okay, because when we come to the village we'll have tea and bread without milk.
With milk.
No, without milk. Yo, we save it for the manure work here next week.
Yeah, that will be next week.
No.
Just face where you facing.
Ow!
Next week will be next week.
Yo,
Bungan ura.
eta. So keren film itu salah kan?
Ya, ini kori.
Kachi Avil, what? That's my brother, boy.
Cool, your brother.
Eu. Wah, yang lu serang lu. Yo. Holy shit, man. It's really cold now. Hey. Sembar nongon di mata asing ko.
Sila pipeline the water pipe, S.
That goes to Muturi. So you can clean your ass.
So you can wash your ass.
No, your ass.
Today you ran by because you yesterday not wash your ass.
Wow, kon. Bila kembiling ah.
Siapa sih kasih sinteran lo, bakal tutup itu.
Body.
Sudah negro. See the rain is coming.
Boy, the rain is very dangerous.
Might be sana here.
Ew. Look at this. Oh God. Very clever. Look, people, it's very low tide now. The tide is lowest. Ooh, yes. Oh Lord.
Mamar sana.
Oh, siang.
Anji sarang anji. Oh boy.
Wai.
Takut saya dibawa ke Navuti.
You can see that in the far distance. There's a yacht coming.
Pikas.
You can see here still raining. No, I'm not Liliwa. I'm not Liliwa. I'm not Liliwa.
Liliwa, làm như vậy.
You can see here Molly, William and Timothy's Buningons. Hot, eh? Hot. Very hot. The hottest in Fiji. Very, very delicious.
Very hot.
Hey, look, very hot, eh?
Tinggal kan sini sah.
Masad ni Moruan gur. People, we're about to go. It's getting high tide now. Oi! So, this is baby Pa.
Your baby there. There. Get.
Yandra.
Smoking. Bilamin. Navuti.
Oi, naka balik. Naka.
Yo.
Very hot water. Oh, very bad weather.
Dangerous.
Last time ketrat nasi.
This week different, eh?
No good. Very cold.
Iyo.
Vem, calça aqui. Ok. Masalah apa? Hey, sini ini kariling. Pure.
Oi, terra.
Ako mabetusan nila.
Ang ganito.
Entra mana ya?
Sekarang apa bina? Karena tolong pak. Mai. Don't what the fucking bloody body.
Oi.
Bye Marina.
What's up? Reda nakar ba?
Who's doing that damage ya? Ibu ya?
No.
Kore ko be kartek.
Karta kita pada Sintunewan. On our way to
Mengkel.
Nanggele.
Iya.
Wala lang ka guru sa kumbula. Girl, fucking amazing.
Iya. Itu sampai mana lang kayak. Iya. Itu balik. Hustle.
It's very cold, eh?
Very cold.
Yeah. Very cold and not a good weather.
Iyo. Not like last week, yeah?
Yeah, not like last week.
Iyo.
Now we're gonna only the boys gonna go. The father, the uncle, the small brother, everybody stay home. Must be something there. Must be something, eh? And Yanu now sleep here.
Oh, you know Yanu sleep.
Sleep in the wood, eh?
Sleep with the one big food at the back here.
You give her the wood.
No,
Yeah.
in front of him. That guy saw.
Where's that wood?
Yeah.
Wait, what kind of wood is it?
It's like blister.
There's nobody.
Blister remove that, see?
No bad system.
Eita.
No, I heard it was caused by Luke, that blister.
Ah.
Only the they're gonna mix together. They make a boil.
Oi.
It's it. It's very cold. And now we are up to going. See you later. Love you guys.
Yeah.
Koray. Hey. You love Yanu? Ano. Ano. Yeah, that boy in front there. Yeah, he's from Moinaloka. And we don't know why the fellow is staying here.
Oi.
He's from Salman.
Oh, it's because here.
Yes.
Because this one.
Let's go.
Kapten riba. Bayi, terus tua kak. Wow, kalian. Lombok.
Lombongan buli.
We're here. Jesus Christ. The weather is not optimal.
Kakao.
Masih lang dengan na bun.
Malo. Pop. Eita, bro. Agora me chamou de gol.
Me da un salto ka sasi.
Perfection. Wala tayo binang talaga. Kandua.
Okay, people, we're about to load now. You can see the boys here. Another 500 bags. And you can see another boat there. Okay, people, first boat is gonna go. to load 3 more, and they're gonna go 2 times like last week. So we're less boys now, but we'll get to look at. Ew. Tama na kang mo. Mulai tembua. Very heavy load. Third boat now, people. Third boat. Okay. Whoa. Damn. People, the fog boat going now. Check out this boat. The wife here. Very hard labor, man. Now it's only this left. Look. Now it's just a waiting game, people. We have to come back, and then we can load the rest. Holy. First boat back again with some boys in there. What's wali nga Jim? Eita. Okay, first boat going again, second time now. This is what's left. Second boat, only this left. Definitely overloaded. The first, the first load compared to last week. Last week when they returned there was more. Because last week we counted, now we're just like Tasi. 2 other boats are coming. This one is gonna wait for us to go. We'll go back together because the weather is bad, you know.
Uy, vamos a lío para allá. Para allá. Cantar va a tombular.
Garbage bag. Always inside there.
Mr. Garbage.
Yeah. Mr. Garbage Sly.
Look at that, people. That boat there. Offloading the bags. Success and Luque. Okay, people, let me just help offload this and then I'll get back. Finally finished. Ooh, cold. Hello.
Okay. So cheese. From the very cold weather, now what?
Drink tea.
Drink tea.
After this, grog.
No.
After this, you cross country tour.
Tua.
Musanga.
Nubasanga. You're tua to Sichi.
Now you see.
And you will miss it to him.
Ano nga ba?
Ah!
Don't marami ha?
No.